Lamais, this is regarding 2022 O-level results. Now, results are released. Today morning it was released. Some of you would have got a convenient result, the result that you were expecting good. Some of you there might be some other expected results, but you would have got some other results. So, two types of categories are now there. Some people are happy with the results, some people a little okay. Most of you message me also now. From morning there are people telling me messages, sending me messages regarding the results. Okay, first I will talk to the people who didn't get a proper satisfactory result. Remember, this O-level is just one pathway for the success journey. It's just one pathway. There are hundreds of more pathways. ඒ හින්දා මේක ගැන අවුල් වෙන්න එපා. ඉද යෝසිචි අප්සෙට් ආග වේනා. Start finding other pathway for the same goal you have. Never leave the goal that you have. That is your personality actually. The goal that you are going to hit in your life will define your personality. Just because of some exam result, don't give up your goal. Start searching for other pathway and surely hit your goals. Now coming to the people who got a proper result, okay, good. Now don't stop from here. Keep your hard work as how we work for the O-level now. During the O-level, how you worked. With that same spirit, keep running throughout your life. Because most of y'all, we won't be meeting now. O-level journey is over. So we won't be meeting hereafter. I'm telling. So don't give up. Keep on running with the same spirit that y'all ran this race. As well as Lamais, those who were with me during the O-level season, especially the theory students, paper students, rapid revision students, both online and physical, plus our 1000 MCQ, QBT, ESY sessions, final seminars, whoever has attended those sessions and got some, y'all think that for your result there was something from those sessions, please put your result to the Google form that I have added below this. So with that I can also analyze whether to continue those things for the next batches or whatever the changes that I should do. Those things also I can analyze. In the put your results also, and as well as those who want to come and meet me can come and meet me at Vattala, Kandy and Kotayana. Online people also y'all can call. Now from morning there were calls and messages. Send your messages and keep. I'll surely read those. And as I already told you the last day, can you all remember the last day of the seminar? I told you I'll meet you all with a Patta results, and I'm guaranteed sure most of you got a Patta results. Superb, hats off to you all. Again, I wanted to meet you all with a Patta success in your life. Keep working hard. Bye.